Imagine this. You go to work, you got a watch day, and all of a sudden you tell yourself, I need to get something out of the car. Okay, that's fine. So you go to your car, and then you see this.
Wait, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
I hate to say it, but that is the reality for me. So, this is what I did to remedy the situation. So after a couple of calls with a few repair places, which are very specifically said, I have a crack on my sump, can you weld it up? Sure, no problem. Ended up there, no, they can't. And if you do any conversion similar to this, you will know to take the sump off, it's not happening. And this is a car I drive every day. So what's the options? Either pull the engine or repair. This is how I went about doing a repair. This is what it looks like. And that explains a lot. You can see brightly sealed over the entire area. I was getting another torch.